I've been playing around a lot recently with Hyland's Intelligent Document Processing, and today I want to show you how to inject a little AI reasoning into your documents in OnBase. So we have a loan application document type, and on it there's a keyword for loan summary. Now I want to change this field into a reasoning field that gives a little bit of context, a high-level summary of what exists within this loan application. So to do that, I'm going to go into Edit, and I'm going to change this over from a text to a reasoning field, and I'm going to add a field description. This could just be natural language instructions or a prompt for IDP to be able to pull the information from the context of the document. So we're just adding a simple instruction. Now, the things to highlight is that we want a concise summary, and we want it to fit within the 250 character limit that we have for that keyword in OnBase. You see, if we extract it now, in our final results, it used those instructions that we put in to format this in a great way. I'm gonna jump into OnBase, and what I did was I took that keyword, and through Workflow, I now added a note with that information. So that's a quick way that you can kind of add a little bit of AI flavor to your documents in OnBase.